Welcome to PPT Channels. So today we are going to learn how to create animated graph and Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's press the enter key. Now let's go to the home tab. Click on layout. Select blank slide. Now we'll go to design. We'll select format background. I'm going to choose picture or texture fill. I'm going to select this clipboard option. Alright, perfect. So we are going to use this image now. Now in the next step, I'm going to insert a shape. The shape is going to be the circle. So by pressing the shift key, I'm going to make a circle like this. Alright, perfect. Now in the next step, what do I want? I'm going to format it. By pressing the right key, I'm going to format the shape. Alright. I'm going to select the slide background fill and the outline to be no outline. I will go to the effect options. We'll go to shadow. We'll select this kind of shadow. Fine. Now we'll go to the 3D format and let's increase the width by 4 points. Perfect. Now in the next step, we are going to insert another shape, that is an arrow. Alright. So like this. Here is an arrow. Okay, fine. I'm going to select this maroon color. Now in the next step, I'm going to change the weight by 3 points. Perfect. Now I'm going to insert another shape, that is circle. Alright, so here is the circle. Now shape fill is going to be no shape fill and shape outline is going to be no outline. And now I'm going to select this and this. And I'm going to group them. I'm going to first of all align them so that they are in center. I'm going to group them like this. Now I'm going to press the control. Now I am going to give it animation. Which animation? The spin animation. Perfect. Again I'm going to select it. Press the control D. Press the control D to make the exact copy of it. And for this time, I'm going to increase its size a little bit. Alright, perfect. Now in the next step, what am I going to do? I am going to select this animation pane. And for both the groups, I'm going to start with previous. First thing. Now for the group 7, that is the small hand. Group 9, that is the long hand. So let's go for long hand. Okay, effect options, timing 60 seconds. That's it. Perfect. Now we'll go to the group 7, that is the short hand. We'll go to the effect option. We'll go to the timing, the same timing, 60 seconds. Alright, but now this time I want this hand to move only to 30 degrees. Okay, so yeah, we'll change to 30 degrees and then press the OK button. Alright, now in the next step, what are we going to do? I am going to select all the shapes at once, like this. Okay. And now I'm going to give another animation, that is motion path to the line and which direction? Right direction. But the duration for 59 seconds and with previous. Alright, and let's adjust the endpoint by pressing the shift key. Okay. So that it moves in a straight line. for the third. The same way we're pressing the shift. Alright. Alright, now let's have a preview. Beautiful.